Hi everyone, let's begin with making an easy vanilla tea cake. I have 200 grams of salted butter, nice and soft. You can also use unsalted butter, just remember to add in a pinch of salt later. While the butter is beating, let's measure our sugar. I'm going to add 200 grams of sugar and beat butter and sugar until the mixture becomes fluffy and pale. This will take approximately 5 to 8 minutes. While we are creaming butter and sugar, let's measure flour. I've taken 200 grams of flour and added 20 grams of milk powder and 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. Take 3 eggs and add one at a time, mixing them really well in between. You can add vanilla essence and butter essence at this point. Butter essence is optional. While the mixture is beating, let's grease our tin with oil and add parchment paper at the bottom. Get ready with your flour, give it a good mix and add the flour and mix well. Scrape the sides in between. Time to add in a last ingredient. Add 45 ml of milk and give it a good mix. The batter is ready now. Let's pour the batter into our tin and tap few times just to release the air bubbles. Decorate as you want. I've added some almond flakes.